Hello, traders. FS Pep Collector here. Today is Wednesday, June 26th, and I'm going to be analyzing gold versus the dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full down analysis. So on gold versus the dollar, I definitely am still looking at this as a 1-2, and I think we're in a wave 3. I still think this wave 3 is not over. I still think it needs to go up to the 161.8 Fibonacci extension of wave 1, projected out the bottom of wave 2, which puts us all the way up just below the 2550 area before we make an ABC of 4 and probably another push up for wave 5. So taking it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, definitely think this is a wave 1 and a wave 2. I think this is all just subdivisions of a wave 3. Probably a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 of wave 3 is what we're looking at, which I still think this wave 5 of 3 is going to take us all the way up to the 161.8 Fibonacci extension. So anyways, let's take it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I personally think the correction is possibly already over. I think that this move up right here is a trend, and I think this is an ABC correction to that trend. And I think this is just like a leading diagonal type thing, like a wave 1. I think we're in a wave 2, and I think we're going to end up bouncing off either the 61 or the 78% fib level, like this, and continuing back up for a wave 3. Probably a 1, 2, 3 of wave 5 of wave 3 on the weekly and monthly time frames. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, I am definitely looking at this as a possible ABC correction right here. I am watching my Fibonacci retracement and my Fibonacci extension levels very, very closely. It could end up, turning here, breaking structure, and continuing up from here. But it seems more likely like it needs to go down a little bit more, maybe touch the 78% Fibonacci retracement and the 61% Fibonacci extension before it actually ends an ABC correction, which I still think is potentially a wave 2 and potentially will be the beginning of a wave 3. So, taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, like I said, I personally think this is more likely to be an ABC correction. I think this is a downtrend for a wave A. I think this is a wave B. I am definitely watching my structure and my Fibonacci retracement levels for the end of a wave C. Unless this makes a very impulsive move up like that and breaks structure, I am definitely looking for shorts as a short time frame trader. Anything below the 1 hour time frame, definitely looking for shorts. I think it is more likely that it is going to go down to at least a 78.6, maybe even a little bit lower to finish this wave C, which I think is most likely a wave C of wave 2 and probably going to be the end of a correction and the beginning of a wave 3. But I don't really think it's over yet. I think it needs to go down at least one more time. But if it does go up and break structure, that definitely would turn me into a buyer. So, anyways, don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my website, linked down here, if you would like to participate in my swing trade setups and my daily live Zoom meetings. As always, thank you and happy trading.